Welcome back, my wild army, to the wild side. If you've ever looked up and seen a bird of prey overhead, chances are it was one of these 5 species coming up right now, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to identify every one of them in seconds. Starting with number 5, the common buzzard. If you've seen a large bird of prey in Britain, chances are it was a buzzard. They're now the UK's most common bird of prey that can be found almost everywhere. The easiest way to identify one is by its shape. Look for broad rounded wings and a relatively short fan-shaped tail. Buzzards often soar in wide circles on rising warm air, sometimes spending several minutes without flapping their wings. If you see a large bird lazily circling high over a field, it's very likely a buzzard. They're also surprisingly noisy. Their call sounds a bit like a cat meowing high from the sky. One thing that catches many beginners out is their colour. Buzzards can range from a very pale to almost completely dark brown. Despite looking quite different, they can all be the same species. And while they're excellent hunters, they're also happy to feed on carrion when the opportunity arises. But the next bird is much easier to identify because it has a feature unlike any other British raptor. The kestrel. If you only learn one bird of prey today, make it this one, because it's the only one on this list that spends so much time hovering. If you see a bird hanging still above a field or roadside, beating its wings while facing into the wind, you've almost certainly found a kestrel. This behaviour is known as wind hovering, and it's what kestrels are famous for. They're searching for small mammals beneath the grass, particularly voles. Once they spot movement, they drop like a stone. Compared with a buzzard, kestrels are much smaller and slimmer, and they have pointed wings and a long tail which helps them maintain control while hovering. Males are particularly attractive birds with a grey head and tail contrasting against a chestnut brown back. Females are mostly brown. One remarkable fact about kestrels is that they can actually see ultraviolet light. This allows them to spot the urine trails left by voles and other small mammals, helping them to identify the most productive hunting areas. But while kestrels hunt out in the open, this next bird prefers something a bit more dramatic. The sparrowhawk, Britain's ambush specialist. Unlike kestrels, you won't usually see one hovering or soaring overhead. Instead, you'll often see them as a sudden flash of grey bursting through a hedge or garden. In fact, one of the most common places to spot a sparrowhawk is right outside your window. If you've ever seen your garden birds scatter in all directions, it could be that a sparrowhawk was responsible. They're perfectly built for surprise attacks with short, rounded wings and a long tail that lets them weave through the trees at speed. One useful identification tip is their flight style. They often fly with several rapid wing beats followed by a short glide. Fast and agile usually means sparrowhawk. But if the next bird appears overhead, you'll probably have a lot longer to look at it. In at number 2 is the red kite. The red kite is one of Britain's greatest conservation success stories and a personal favourite of mine. Let me know yours in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Just over a century ago, red kites were almost extinct in the UK. Thankfully, today, they're becoming a familiar sight across much of the country, and they're incredibly easy to identify. Just look at the tail. A red kite has a deeply forked tail that acts almost like a rudder as it goes on its journey. No other British bird of prey looks quite like it. You'll often see them soaring over roads, farmlands, villages, constantly twisting their tail to steer. Unlike the sparrowhawk, red kites aren't powerful hunters. They're opportunists, feeding on carrion, scraps, and whatever food they can find. And because they're so graceful in flight, they're often one of the first birds of prey people learn to recognise. But there's one more bird that tops this list. And it's not just Britain's most impressive raptor, it's the fastest animal on Earth. The Peregrine Falcon. The Peregrine Falcon is quite simply astonishing. When hunting, a peregrine can dive at speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour. That's faster than any other animal on the planet. And their hunting technique is known as a stoop. They climb high above their prey before folding back their wings and essentially death-dropping towards the ground at speed. Fortunately, you don't need to witness a 200-mile-per-hour dive to identify one. Look for pointed wings, broad shoulders, and a relatively short tail. Adults also have distinctive markings on their face. Traditionally, peregrines nested on coastal cliffs, but today they're just as likely to be found on cathedrals, office blocks and skyscrapers. In fact, some of Britain's best peregrine sightings now happen in the middle of major cities. Once you know they're there, you can't unsee it. When the shapes of these birds click in your mind, identifying birds of prey becomes much easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to film the wild. See you in the next one.